What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. This is my 2020 Tacoma TRD off-road in cement gray. I have several videos down in the link below if you want to check that out, if you haven't been on my page before. But today, finally, I've got something for the plastic bed liner. Or, I mean, it's not even a liner, just a plastic bed in the back of my truck. So today's quick video will be on that bed insert that I got, or bed liner insert by AAA Liners. Huge shout out to them. They hit me up a while ago for me to put a bed liner in here, but it was only for the short bed. So they took that in consideration and then went ahead and made a long bed version. So I'll be covering this whole back piece. I'm gonna clean it up, get it all at least looking nice somewhat. And I'm pretty stoked on this because if you have a Tacoma, you know how slick this plastic bed is, even when it's wet. So when I go camping and we put stuff back here, it tends to just slide around if it's not completely filled up. And before I open up the bed liner, if you are new to my page, any modification you see on here was just about purchased through my sponsor, Tacoma Beast. They've got just about every part you can think of for the Tacoma, as well as awesome merchandise, Tacoma Beast t-shirt, sweaters, hats, camping gear, anything you can think of. You can use code TacoMan5 and you'll save money. This is a quick little walk around of my third gen Tacoma. Any questions about it? If you haven't watched any of my other videos, just shoot me a DM on Instagram. All right, let's get this opened up. Damn, thing's massive. It says that you need to put something heavy on it. Try to get this peeled open for you guys, because the bed mat's gonna be all wrinkled and whatnot from being stored how it was. But let's see here. All right, not bad. Ooh, actually looks very nice. Oh, this doesn't need something flat. Wow, this is nice. Not like hard. I don't even, what is this? Kind of, it feels more like rubber. Very nice though. Very good quality. So I don't know which way is front and back yet. Oh, wait, yeah, I do. That's an easy fix, or easy thing to figure out. Obviously, how it is right now, go back over there. This is the back. I guess with these longer straight edges. You come over here. I hope the only thing that it's not going to affect is my bed stiffeners. So if that bed mat does come out to here, then I'll have a little bit of an issue, and I'll just get something to cut it back and make it just flush all through there. Okay, so like I thought, it does come out pretty far. It kind of even goes out further than the actual bed itself. If you look here, it kind of comes out about ½ an inch. Let me make sure it's all flush. Oh, unless maybe these pieces are meant to stick up into the grooves. That makes sense. Let me get this all adjusted real quick. So that's basically what you have to do. Just push it all the way forward and those grooves all line up perfectly. You could probably even push it more to get these kind of bent more upright. That way I have to cut back less on here, but I'm probably, if you do have bed stiffeners, just measure. I'm just gonna measure from there to there, and I'll cut this back probably with a razor blade or something all along here. It'll be good. But I'm definitely impressed with this. Very nice. My grooves. Oh yeah, and these just sit right over the grooves already. And then like right there, how it's high, that'll just flatten over time. So I'm not worried about that. Huge shout out to AAA Liners. Definitely make a nice product. If you're interested in getting one, I'll put the link below for the short bed and the long bed for you to pick one up. One more thing. If you've got a Tacoma with a locking mechanism on the tailgate, I highly encourage you to start locking your tailgate at all times. Thefts of the tailgate are increasing and are super popular. So always lock your tailgate when you are not around your truck. You can see here, I've got really nice Alpha Rex, the Lux series taillights. They put tailgate was locked, thank God. they put some object in between here and basically just try to crank off my taillight and snap the housing, snap the brackets on the inside. So the only thing holding my taillight in place, man, sorry, my phone will not focus, is freaking Gorilla Tape. You can see here, they chipped the bed of my truck. They scratched it along there. If you don't have a locking mechanism, I highly encourage you to get one. They're super easy to install. I believe they are on the Tacoma Beast website. If not, just type in locking mechanism for 2nd Gen Tacoma. Highly encourage you guys to do that. Like I said, very quick video, not a technical video by any means, so don't really have much else to really go over. And like I said, if you're new to my page, just check out all my recent videos or all my videos and you can see exactly what I've done to my truck. And I've tried to do everything on my own for the most part, except like suspension, leaves, that stuff I'm not really up for doing on my own. But the front and everything, cut all that up. I've got a CSF radiator, high performance radiator. Back in there, I installed that on my own, like light bar, roof rack, all the wiring. I've got a Switch Pro. I don't think I have my keys on me to go inside. Oh, it's unlocked. Like a little blackout kit all around. I've done all that stuff on my own. Just little things here and there. Rock sliders. Those are Relation race wheels. Got a huge discount on those during a group buy. If you're looking into getting your Tacoma modified and getting like bigger purchases, then definitely try to find group buys. You save a lot of money. I think those are like $1,000 online and I got them for like 400 bucks. Yeah, that's about it. If you guys got any questions, just shoot me a message on Instagram or message me here on YouTube and I'll get back to you. And until then, we'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.